Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your system is missing important Windows security updates in FaceIT Anti-Cheat. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you need to make sure that your Windows OS is up to date. Okay, so you'll have to go to your settings and type down System Updates, just like so, and click on Check for Updates. Now, go ahead and check for updates, and if there are available updates, just click on Install All. And after that, go ahead over to your advanced options right here. Click on optional features and then download everything from here as well as your driver updates. Download and install, wait for the process to finish. And after that, it will require you to restart computer. So just go ahead and restart computer. And once done, go ahead and check it out. Run FaceIT and it's anti-cheat and it should be fine now. If that still won't work, go ahead over to your search bar and type down CMD. On here, just click on Run as Administrator. There'll be a pop-up. Just click on Yes. Now, all you got to do is just type down sfc/scan now. All right? And then after that, just go ahead and hit on Enter. Now, it'll take some time. Just patiently wait. And if there are some errors, it will just automatically fix it for you. Now, once that's done, you can go ahead and again, restart your computer. And after that, check if it helps. If that still will work, rerun CMD. Okay, run as administrator. Now go ahead and type down DISM//online/ cleanup -image /restore health. Okay, type it down this way. You can just go ahead and pause the video and retype it. Okay, hit on enter and just wait for the process to finish. Now, once the process is done, again, don't forget to restart your computer, all right? Now, if that still will work, well, maybe you'll just have to reinstall FaceIT and its anti-cheat. Okay, just go ahead over to your start menu right here, click on Installed Apps, find FaceIT and FaceIT Anti-Cheat, uninstall them and just reinstall them from the official website. Okay, and do take note, do not use scripts to bypass these checks, as this can lead to being flagged by the anti-cheat and potentially getting banned. That's it for now. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.